Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what my skincare routine looks like now that I'm on Accutane. So if you guys are on Accutane or you guys are thinking about going on Accutane, I'm going to share with you guys what products work with my whole Accutane journey and what I've had to change and what's working for me. So I'm going to show you guys all of that. And if you guys haven't seen my video, my Accutane journey video, definitely check that out. But today we're going to get into all the skincare products. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, and let's get into the video. So a side effect to Accutane is very dry lips. So your lips become super, super dry. So I have been using this fresh sugar lip polish to exfoliate my skin and take off all that dead skin. And I don't have to use it often because I'm always making sure my lips are hydrated. So I don't really have like a buildup of dead skin because they're always hydrated. But sometimes I slip up and I forget. So then I have to use this to exfoliate my lips. And it's really nice because the exfoliants are very small, so it's not harsh on your lips. Very, very smooth, and it just takes off all the dead skin, and then my lips are back to being like very smooth, and then I continue hydrating. So definitely recommend this. So what I use to hydrate my lips are Laneige products. Laneige lip products are so hydrating, guys. Even if you're not on Accutane, you need these, but if you're on Accutane, these are lifesavers. I have this lip glowy balm, and I have 4 of these in different scents. So this one is the berry flavor or scent, and I love it because it feels so nice and hydrated on my lips. It's not sticky. It literally feels like a lip balm, but it's kind of glossy, so it looks really, really nice. I use this like all day. Like I keep this in my pocket and I'm always using this. This one is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this one's a little bit thicker. It has a thicker consistency, so you're supposed to use this when you go to sleep as like a lip mask. So I usually use this in the nighttime before I go to bed because sometimes when you're sleeping, your lips do become dehydrated because of you sleeping and like your lack of oxygen. So this has been great for nighttime. Another lip product, because you can never have enough when you're on Accutane, is this Bite Agave lip mask. This is really thick as well, so this is also meant as a lip mask, but you could use this as a lip balm because I do, and I feel like a lot of people do. But it's great because it's very thick, very hydrating, and again, not sticky. So I love this, and the Agave doesn't have any color. They do have other ones that have different colors, so if you guys want a little bit of a tint, there's other ones to choose from. And then my other lip product is just Vaseline, just regular Vaseline. If you guys aren't interested in like splurging with like the Sephora products, you guys can totally just go to a drugstore and purchase Vaseline or Aquaphor. I used to use Aquaphor, but I did run out. So both are great options, either Vaseline or Aquaphor. I personally like to use these ones better simply because I like to use these when I'm out because it gives me a little bit of a tint. So you guys know I'm a makeup girl. So now for my skin, I have had to switch up my whole routine. I used to use like a specific cleanser, an exfoliant, a serum, a night cream, and like an anti-aging cream. Like I used to use so much in my skincare routine, but with Accutane, little is more or less is more. So I've had to cut everything out and just start from the basics. My dermatologist is very like, Carla, you have to be very minimalistic. I want you to use like basic things. So I've had to switch everything over. So this is what I'm using now. So the cleanser I use is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and it's just a basic sensitive cleanser for all skin types. You can pick this up at your drugstore, Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Amazon too, and it's been great. So I use this every day, morning and night. Doesn't have any harsh chemicals, super, super basic. So this is what my dermatologist recommends me using. And even after Accutane, he says I should just stick to this. So I personally do like this, so I am going to stick to this. I'm happy with it. So this has been my cleanser. So after I cleanse, I moisturize, and what I use to moisturize is this. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And guys, this has been a lifesaver because Accutane does make your face very, very dry. You have very dry skin. And if your skin stays dry, it can start to flake, it can start to crack, it can cause premature aging, cause fine lines, and we don't want that. So I make sure my skin is always super hydrated, and this has been doing that for me. I actually don't really experience dry skin at all. I find that like my skin looks really good. It's because I've been using this. So guys, I totally recommend it. This is the Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin, and it's safe for sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic. You could use this all over your body, like face, body, everything. I only use it for my face, and it's a pretty big tub and it comes with so much product. So I have been loving it, and a little goes a long way, guys. And I promise you, this, you will not experience like dry skin. It's amazing. What I also use is my eye cream. I know my dermatologist said I have to be very basic, so just cleanser and moisturizer. So that's literally all I use. I no longer use serums. I no longer use oils, nothing. But eye cream, I have to use eye cream because I love anti-aging stuff. I've always loved anti-aging stuff, and especially for under my eyes, I find I always need hydration there. So I'm still using this. This is my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Eye Repair. And again, I just use this under my eyes. It's not going on my face, so it's been working great and keeps my eyes very, very hydrated. And this is my fresh face oil. I'm not using this anymore. I've had this for a really long time. That's why it's almost done. But I was using this a little bit, and I really liked it because it really helped with hydration. Like, my skin was so supple and so hydrated. But my dermatologist says, like, I absolutely cannot use any oil on my skin while on Accutane. So I stopped using it. But in case you guys have dry skin and you're not on Accutane, I definitely recommend you guys try this. It's so, so good. But now what I've been doing is I've been using, it has a dropper, so I've been just adding a little bit into my body lotion so it hydrates my body. So that's what I've been doing. And then the last thing is this Garnier Moisture Balm Sheet Mask, and it is so good because it is the super hydrating mask, and it just provides deep moisture for instantly softer, more radiant skin. And I used to use this from before I was on Accutane for just days where I felt I needed a little bit more hydration. But now, because of the dry skin, I use this maybe I would say like once every like 2 months. I don't like to use it too often, especially because, like I said, with this moisturizer, I find I'm not as dry. But if I find I'm very, very dry, then I'll use this once in a while. All right, well, that's my skincare routine. So pretty small, pretty basic, because like I said, when you're on Accutane, you have to be very, very minimalistic. So I've cut down on so much. So that's pretty much my routine right now. I will be doing an updated video showing you guys my updated results, my side effects that I'm experiencing now. So I will be doing that very soon. But these products have been working for me, guys. I love them, especially because it's keeping my skin so hydrated. And my skin isn't as dry as I heard it would become or as I thought it would become. Like, these things have been saving me. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Please comment down below. Let me know, are you guys on Accutane? What are your results? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.